Google just made Nano Banana and V3 available together for free inside Whisk. And the best part? You're not just getting free access, you're getting both tools working together seamlessly. Unlike Gemini or Google AI Studio, where resizing images can be a real hassle, Whisk makes it super easy with built-in frame selection. In this video, I'll show you how to access and use Whisk in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, grab the link below. Whisk is free to access with your Google account. Once inside, you'll see the text prompt box. If you click Add Image, the left sidebar expands. This is where you can upload assets or drag in images for subject, scene, and style. You can either enter a text prompt to generate an image or upload your own. For this demo, I'll upload my own character. If you don't have an image, just click the little dice button to generate random subjects. These are great for inspiration. Now, any image you upload can also be edited. Click the Edit button and you'll enter the editing panel. Let's take this robot and prompt, robot eating an ice cream. With one click, you get a consistent character with exactly the changes you asked for. That new image can then be used as your subject reference. The same workflow applies to scene and style. You can roll the dice for ideas, upload your own, or enter text prompts. In this example, I'll upload a clothing collage for style and a cute coffee shop front for the scene. Now in the text prompt, let's type, woman sitting outside the coffee shop. Whisk also gives you quick control over aspect ratios, square, portrait, and landscape. No more struggling with resizing like in other AI tools. Under Settings, you'll find options like seed number and precise reference mode. With the precise mode on, you can input up to 3 references that stay very true to your uploads. Turn it off, and you'll get more flexibility but less consistency. Let's generate. Here are the results. And after rolling a few variations, you can see how well it combined the clothing collage in the coffee shop into the final scene. The character and background stay perfectly consistent. Now let's refine it. Click Refine and simply describe what you want to change. For example, make the woman hold a coffee cup. One click and done. Want to change her lips to pink? Done. Add a magazine on the table? Easy. You can even swap the entire scene. Now let's animate with V3. Just click Animate on the image to open the video panel. Add a text prompt describing what your character should do, or even give them dialogue. And here's the result. Isn't it a beautiful day to sit around and do nothing? I bet you're jealous of me.
Isn't it a beautiful day to sit around and do nothing? I bet you're jealous of me.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to 99 Reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest AI tool updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.